A useful way to group your data in HydroShare is the collection feature. A collection is a landing page for a group of related resources. You can create a collection in the same way you'd create a resource, by selecting the Create button. The collection landing page is very similar to the resource landing page with many of the same metadata elements. The essential metadata is the title, the abstract, and the subject keywords. You can also add geographic coverage. So as you can see, you can enter an abstract in much the same way you would on a resource and save your changes. And you can enter subject keywords. These metadata elements will allow you to change the sharing status of the collection. I'll also go and add a pin in the geographic coverage. And this coverage will update when I add any resources with geographic coverage to the collection. I'll select Add Resources and select from the resources that I have access to in my Resources list. I do not need to own the resources to add them, they just need to be public and in my resources. You can also add collections to collections. I'll hit Add to Collection. Now you can see that the resources are listed in the collection contents, and the geographic coverage has updated. I'll exit editing mode and scroll down to view my citation now. So you can see the coverage, as well as the listed resources and collection contents, and the generated citation under How to Cite. Now let's look at a pre-filled collection. You can see that there are 2 owners and 1 author, and the other metadata has been filled in already. You can also see that you can download all of the contents as a zipped Bagot archive if you choose. Access control on collections is the same as access control on resources. Use the Manage Access button to share your collection with other users. Sharing at the ownership level does not give users control over individual resources in the collection if they do not already have it. It gives them control over collection metadata and what resources appear in the collection. Collections can also be published and receive DOIs if all of the resources in the collection are also published and have DOIs.